It's your boy RJTV, back with another GTA video in the hood, you already know. Gonna be chilling in the hood. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh, I failed. I'm sorry, bro. I don't want to fight you, bro. I don't want to fight you. No. You already know how you're rocking up in here. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. We're gonna hit the store right quick. Alright, we're about to go to the store right here. On my bike. Alright, you in a red shirt, bro. Watch my bike, okay? Alright, bro. You gotta watch my bike for me. Before I rob the store, I'm about to buy some stuff like real cool. Fool. Yeah, but you're gonna have to give me the money in a second. Give me my money, right? Give me my money. I ain't playing no games with you, boy. You give me my money around here. You know, shoot the coffee up. I ain't playing no games. Shoot the slushy. Shoot the cups and everything. I ain't playing no games around here. Where my money at? Oh, I got my money. Why you hiding? What you hiding for? What you hiding for? That's what you need to be hiding for. Alright, you good. Where my bike at? Alright, my bike right there. Ah, the cops. Ah, that's the police. Oh, more cops. More cops is coming. Swoop. 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 Oh, crap. Almost got crap. Uh-oh. Swoop. Swoop. You saw I jumped over the cops. That mess is funny. They thought. Hold up. Oh! Dang! Oh, heck no, bro. That's some bull, yo. It was funny, though. I hopped over the cop car. That mess was funny. He thought he was gonna crash me. It's all good, though. Oh, give me my bat. Oh, give me my bat. Give me my bike. I want my bike. Give me a bike. Who got a bike I can use? I want a bike. Ooh, he got a bike right there. He got a bike over there. That mess is funny. I'm telling you. Off the bike. Get off the bike. Ha! I stole this bike. Oh, they busting. They about to bust. Oh, they busting. I bet they don't come over here though. They better not come over here though. That's what I could tell y'all. Chillin' in the hood though, you already know. Chillin' in the hood though, what you know. What you thought in the game, boy, no. Oh, I can go in here. There's nothing even in here though. I'm not gonna, I would like shoot at them, but like they all gonna start busting and they gonna kill me. And I lucky don't want to lose my bike, so. Let's go. Should I rob another store? Alright, I'm gonna rob the other store. You know, this store right here. Let's go. Peep out the window now. Hold up. Give me my money right now. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Give me my money. Thank you. Hurry up. Oh, busted. Heck no, bro. You think you busting at me? You ain't busting at me like that. I'm dead serious. Oh, my bike. My bike. Get on the bike. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Hurry up. Watch this. The cops gonna take. Swoop. Got him. They thought, well, let me hit this corner right here. Oh! How many times they gonna do that, yo? Come on now. Damn, I'm trying to just chill in the hood, but the cops keep coming. But I keep robbing the stores. But it's all good, though. Stop, mister, stop. You gonna give me this card tonight. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Very much. Thank you. Who got a bike over here? Whoever got a bike is about to get stolen. Drive by. Ooh, drive by on them suckers. Ooh, hurry up, go. Ooh, I drive by on them suckers. Drive by. Ooh, wee. Look at that drive-by right there. That drive-by was nice, boy. Drive-by. Never forget you too, cops. Oh, buster suckers. Don't pull out a gun on me like that, boy. Drive-by. Oh, they shooting at the cops. Oh, it's getting real. It's getting really real. They just shooting at the cops. Alright, we gonna turn in here. We're gonna try to drive by on them suckers again. Where you running from, bro? Drive by. I don't know why I'm making that noise. Oh, skirt. Pull up skirt. Peep out the window. Hold up. Drive by. Drive by. Drive-bys. I'm here drive-bying now. Ooh, yeah, I ain't ready for this drive-by. Ooh, Buster, y'all some suckers, man. I ain't no gangster. Y'all ain't no gangster, just like the OG, really gangster. Oh, look, the gangsters running. They some punks. They some really punks, bro. Gangsters running. Where y'all going? Where y'all suckers going? Yeah, drive-by on them suckers, bro. You think I play with y'all? I ain't playing no games, cause I gonna get shot every time. You already know it's me, yeah. From the street. Drive by them suckers again, boy. Uh-oh. We gonna hit another drive-by. Alright, this gang right here don't play right here. Woo! Got him. Alright, ready? We're gonna drive-by. Come on. Drive by. Oh, heck no. Oh, that online person killed me. He a punk, bro. Trying to do some drive-bys and stuff. You like, chilling in the hood. Messing these suckers up. I know, I got a good idea. Like, a very good idea. A really good idea. But I don't know what. Oh, yeah, it's right here. I got a good idea. Watch this. I don't know why I did that. But I got a good idea right here. Watch. Drive by on themselves. Drive by on themselves. You already know me, cause it's drive by on themselves. Alright, so I'm gonna go up this ladder and then I'm gonna start shooting at them. And then we're gonna get I'm gonna just get the cops on me. And then we can. Alright. Yeah, what's good with y'all, son? You're banging around here. Look at you, got ran over by a car. Look at you. You're banging over here. You think you all tough and all, bro? You ain't nothing, bro. That's why boo back, boy. What you doing? Sit down. What y'all doing, bro? Y'all think y'all something? Hit gun down, bang, 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 bang. Where the other one at? Oh, he right there. I see him. I see him. Get down, boy. Get down, boy. I ain't playing no games around here, boy. You got playing? I ain't playing no games around here, boy. You got playing around here, boy? I ain't playing no games around here. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Don't even know where I am. Don't even know where I am. Oh! Help, help. Come on, come on. Get in the car. Ah, the cops. Come on, the cops. The cops shooting. Oh. Oh, this like busting at me. That shit. If I didn't fall, bro, I'd have been. Well, YouTube, that's the end of the video, y'all. You already know how we rocking, but that's the end of the YouTube video. I might make another one. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Just really give it a thumbs up. I'm dead serious. You already know how we rocking. Alright, yeah, just text me on Kid Swaggy R, and if y'all want to be in my videos, then y'all can be in my videos. Alright? Okay, I'm out this month.